sir.
Hey yo, slave to the game, contract with a chain. Own your name, what you want, big dough with a change. Fuck the fame, the fortune is more important. These niggas signing their life away with no lawyer. Record execs really ain't for you. Too many hands in your pocket before you profit. On your quest to be poppin', be smart, don't settle for a stupid option. You the talent, they need you who they watchin'. A&Rs pushing luxury cars, out here frontin' like they the star with they whole arm in your cookie jar. Taking a bigger piece of your pie than you are. Jerk for your park cause you didn't read the nuance. Rob you for your socks while you still got your shoe on. Getting nothing but pennies for your thoughts, what you on. So fuck clout, bro, it's dough to make in business. You don't get what you deserve, son, you get what you negotiate. Back in the days, we were slaves, whips and chains. Fast forward, they sell their soul for whips and chains. Pennies for your thoughts, pop these pills for pain. Now you dumb, deaf and numb, sign over your name. Back in the days, we were slaves, whips and chains. Fast forward, they sell their soul for whips and chains. Pennies for your thoughts, pop these pills for pain. Now you dumb, deaf and numb, sign over your name. It's the game. These niggas will finesse you if you let them. You a corporation, when you lock, they spell your name in big letters. Wonder why I do your research. It's all about self-preservation. Fuck you, I feed me first. Back in the days, I be a runaway slave. Fuck working for free, my destiny's to be paid. I would hide in the field and stab master in the face. Go kidnap his wife and drown that bitch in the lake. I need my cake on time and not a minute late. It's designed to keep you in debt and never elevate. Better stay wise and analyze, gotta use your eyes. To trick the gods, the devil, and try to use disguise. Acting like your best friend, granting all your wishes. Trying to get you to sell your soul for minor riches. Shit is vicious when dealing with crooks. You wanna hide something from one of these niggas? Put it in a book.
Damn, conductor, where'd you find this?
Thought I was mistaken. I thought I heard your words. Tell me how do I feel? Tell me now how do I feel? Those who came before me lived through their vocations. From the past until completion, they'll turn away no more. I still find it so hard to say what I need to say, but I'm quite sure that you'll tell me just how I should feel today. I wonder what I did to make her like me so much. She feeling me a lot now, but it started as a crush. I wonder if it's love or I wonder if it's lust. It might be my swagger, it might be the way I hunch. She keep telling me she like that gangsta shit, I know. She keep telling me she gon' beat all my bitches up. She keep telling me that I can't go nowhere, I'm stuck. She just got a gun, she say I play, she shoot it up. I be tryna play it hard, can't lie, got feelings for her too. Tell me who else do you see so I can shoot 'em out your view. Girl, I love to feel your talk, can't lie, I love to feel your roof. Girl, I love you up short, can't lie, I love to see your moves. She keep yelling, wicked, 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 wicked. She like, where you at? I miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it. She keep yelling, wicked, 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 wicked. She like, where you at? I miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it. I wonder what I did to make her like me so much. She feeling me a lot now, but it started as a crush. I wonder if it's love or I wonder if it's lust. It might be my swagger, it might be the way I hunch. She keep telling me she like that gangsta shit, I know. She keep telling me she gon' beat all my bitches up. She keep telling me that I can't go nowhere, I'm stuck. She just got a gun, she say I play, she shoot it up. I wonder what I did to make her like me so much. She feeling me a lot now, but it started as a crush. I wonder
a second.
Fuck this better make, wait, fuck this better make, wait. DJ Paul on the tape with the whole black rock. DJ Paul to the motherfuckers fold up. DJ Paul on the tape with the whole black rock. DJ Paul. DJ Paul on the tape with the whole black rock. DJ Paul on the tape with the whole black rock. DJ Paul to the motherfuckers fold up. DJ Paul on the tape with the whole black rock.